My name is Abhishek Kumar and I'm working as a director in Goyal Ispat. The basic raw material in our industry is power. So we just meet Gham Power as your CEO, and he suggests that we are providing solar power, so better you go in the solar power. After some discussion, we are just install a solar power, and it's a 2 months operation, and it's a very good, I think, our decision to take solar power from Gham Power. After 2 months, we are getting around commercial term, we are getting around 1.5 to 2 lakhs monthly saving. We don't have any problem with Gham Power, and Gham Power persons and all team are very good, very cooperative, and I think in the future we are planning more solar panels. So we will get 5 to 6 MVA from solar, and I think in every steel plant should go with solar. It is also environmental benefits because clean energy and green energy also. So I think it's better to go with Gham Power, and it's good.